Hello, welcome back to the TMG New Solution YouTube channel. Did you know that motivational channels on YouTube are earning over $10,000 a month without needing to appear on screen or use their own voice? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to use the latest artificial intelligence technology and user-friendly tools so that you can create your own motivational channel. All I ask is that you watch the entire video to ensure you don't miss any important steps if you want to make money. In today's video, we will divide it into 5 parts. In the first part, we will conduct market research to find the most effective videos. In the second part, we will show you how to add background music using Lalal AI to avoid copyright infringement. In the third part, we will edit the video using InVideo, where you can add your own voice using this tool. In the fourth part, we will use a thumbnail downloader and remove the background. And finally, in the fifth part, we will upload to Canva and create a thumbnail. Let's get started.
Oh, wait a minute. I have spent hours crafting this free tutorial just for you. Would you please give me 5 seconds of your time for a quick like and comment? Thank you so much, my dear.
Part 1. On YouTube, simply type the keyword motivational speech in the search bar, then click on the small icon in the top left corner called Filters, and then click on View Count to sort by the number of views. We only want to see the highest viewed videos. Let's consider this channel as an example, and we see a speech by Denzel Washington, so I'll click on it. As we can see here, this is a video with only Denzel Washington speaking, and then there are some supplementary scenes and on-screen text.
While unless you take risks. Nothing. Nelson Mandela said, "There is no passion to be found playing."
When you see channels reposting content and editing it, adding some images or text, they can do so because they are contributing their own creative element to the video. While someone else may have created the original video because they are adding their own element, this falls under fair use. You won't see these motivational channels just uploading other people's content. What they do is take that content, extract the audio, and add additional elements like subtitles, supplementary scenes, or they can splice audio clips and add other inspirational speakers to create a compilation video. As you can see in this video, it's only Denzel Washington, and they credit it as speech by Denzel Washington. Part 2. Then we will click on Share, copy the URL, and search for YouTube video to MP3. Click on one of the links to download the video. I will paste my video link here, convert it to MP3, and then it will extract the audio from the video. There is still one more step we need to take, which is to remove the background music that was used in the video and use our own music instead. We will access a website called Lalal AI. This artificial intelligence tool will extract vocals from the music. We can upload our audio, and it will automatically extract the vocals from the music. Once the process is complete, you can preview and click on Found That Nothing in Life, and there won't be any music, only vocals. This is quite amazing. We just need to click on Process the entire file and let the AI tool do its job. With Lalal AI, if you can use my link in the description, it won't cost you any extra fees, and it will be very helpful for this channel.
I found that nothing in life is worthwhile unless you take risks. Nothing. Nelson Mandela said, "There is no passion to be found playing small."
Part 3. The next tool we will use is InVideo for video editing, and the reason we want to use InVideo is that it makes video editing very easy, and the great thing is that it has a built-in stock library. Instead of subscribing to services like Storyblocks or Envato Elements, where you would have to pay to use the videos, with InVideo, you get these videos for free because you are using their video tool. Additionally, if we want to turn our video into short-form content, we can easily do that from within the video without any technical expertise. I would highly appreciate it if you use my link in the description. It won't cost you anything extra, and it helps support the channel. After creating your account, you will go to Create New and then Editor. We will click on the Visual Scene mode. Here you can see that we have different presets for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, etc. After creating your account, you will go to Create New and then select Editor. Next, we will click on the Landscape mode to create a longer video. Then, we drag our MP3 file into the timeline. Once the audio is uploaded, we simply drag it down to the timeline, and we will see that the audio is inserted correctly. Now, we will start adding images. We will click on the image icon and then select images from InVideo's library. After selecting the images,
I found that nothing in life.
We will drag them onto the timeline in the desired order. Once we have finished adding the images, we can preview the video to see the result. If we are satisfied, we can export the video and download it to our computer for use or directly share it on YouTube. Part 4. We will use Thumbnail Downloader and remove background. I like this thumbnail, but maybe I want to create it in this style. We will copy the video and then go to YouTube, search for YouTube Thumbnail Downloader. For example, I will click on this link, paste the URL into it, and now we have a high-quality thumbnail. I will save this image and download it. Another free tool we will use is Remove Background. We choose any tool and upload our file. Now I want to remove the background of the thumbnail, and I will download it. Part 5. Next, we will move on to Canva. On Canva, you will select Create a Design and type in YouTube Thumbnail. After that, we have the image of Denzel, and remember that this is completely free. I have uploaded the thumbnail image of Denzel Washington, which is a high-quality picture, and I will make the background black with Denzel on it. I looked through some other thumbnails and noticed some subtle light and text effects. I will do something similar with Denzel, go into the Elements section and type in flare. We can see different graphics and items that don't have the crown icon, which means they are free to use, so we can use them as we wish. Let's say I don't like the colors. Since my channel has a blue theme, I will select Edit and then go to the Duotone section, and now we can change the colors to any color we want. You click on Text and can change the font as desired. For example, I added a title and can change the font to any font I want, like Montserrat. Now, ChatGPT will provide me with a list of different quotes that I can use to create original content. I like this quote. The only way to make change in the world is to make a little noise. This is an original artwork for both the long and short forms, as well as the thumbnail, all utilizing the power of artificial intelligence and some free tools.
Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more videos on the latest artificial intelligence technology. See you. Thank you.